You are waiting for your US visa for more than 12 months, maybe 18 or even 24 months, and you think this is the best time you can get, and this is not so. In today's video, I will show you why the talent visa O1 is the shortest and the fastest way for you not only to come to the US, but also be able to work here and maybe even work for your own company. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your O1 case. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, I want to discuss a very important topic of why O1 visa is the best and fastest way for you to come to the US and start your way right here, right now. Who needs to watch this video? Three types of people. Number one, you are professional in the field. IT, engineer, doctor, or any other specialist who must have some education or a lot of training to get in the profession. That's what we call professionals. And urgent need to come to the US. That's number one. Number two, investors, businessmen, entrepreneurs, startuppers. You guys gonna love O1 visa. And number three, all other people who are just tired to wait for a long time to get any visa in US embassy, and you guys doing something with your lives. You have some profession, you do some important work. So why this issue actually matters? Well, if you look at the timing for EB1, EB2 categories, EB3, EB5, EB4, so all those visas that require the employer or some great achievements, the fastest way out of all these is EB1A, which is gonna take a year and a half. That's provided we don't get any administrative hold in the embassy. EB2, EB3 even longer. 2.5, 3, 4, 5 years, and even EB5, the investment visa where you put a lot of money into the American economy, still may take 2-3 years at the very least. With all these dates and terms, and forget about tourist visas, some of you guys wait for 2 years for the interview. I just been to Panama, and Panamanians, they wait for 2 years to schedule the visa interview. This is ridiculous, right? Just to go for touristic purposes. So O1 is as fast as 8 to 9 months. And this is a good solution for all of you who just want to come here and work and continue your career. So what makes O1 visa besides the fast track so attractive? Well, the short track is number one, you cannot dismiss that. 8 to 9 months is super fast, plus the ability to work. Number two, technically it does not require the employer because your own company can become an employer, right? So you might have a third-party employer, that's totally fine. Or you can have your own company who's going to give you the job offer. All right, but in this case, you have two hats as the owner and as the employee. So technically, you don't need a third-party independent employer if you want to work in your own company. Number three, much lower requirements for the paperwork comparing to the older or elder sister of O1, EB1A, which is also talent visa, gives you the green card, but a lot more documents. O1 is much smaller, smooth, nice, no problem filing it, getting it approved in my company with 99% chance of success. And O1 is a very flexible visa. You can do a lot of things, and you can do it for up to 3 years, and you can get extensions for 1 year in the future, and also get your family here. Yes, your spouse will not be able to work on O3, but your spouse, your kids will be able to go to school and continue developing in this country. What happens after you arrive on O1 visa? And guys, don't think that just O1 visa is something you're gonna get and use just to come here and do the work and then Lord knows what's gonna happen. No. This is a launch pad for you to switch to EB1A because these are the same categories, the same criteria in these both visas. Or you can switch to EB2 NIW if you develop in that direction. Or you can get EB2, EB3 regular perm certification if some other company wants to hire you. And you'll be like, Stanislav, but you said that those visas are much longer. Yes, correct. But you guys already wait for those visas here in the US. This is a big difference. Waiting for those terms outside of the US or in the US while you can work. This is a huge advantage for you. So most of our clients who come with O1 to the US adjust their status to EB1A, EB1C, EB2NIW, EB2, EB3. You do not have to leave the country once you have the priority date and approval for your EB visa. And last but not least, there is no proof in the law. No one will ever say, actually, the case law says the opposite. But from my experience, guys, those clients who received O1 with us, they have a better, smoother way of approving their EB visa. It works like magic. Okay, by law it's not true, but in reality it does affect the immigration officer. So O1 is universal approach for your future in the US. So is this path right for you? What is this visa about? And this visa is about measuring your professional achievements. If you are a professional or you know some professional and you worked in it at least 3 to 5 years, and if you work for some good companies and you make a little bit more money than everybody else, you worked on some good projects, or maybe you go to conferences to speak, maybe you do some academic work. If you hear something close to what you've been doing, and again, there are particular criteria, but I don't want to exhaust you. I want to give you the bigger picture so you could see if you fit in it. And if you have a few things that I mentioned, that's a green light for you. How do you actually know if your portfolio, if your resume is good for this visa? For this purpose, I developed a special process in my company. It's called a free evaluation. What it means? Below this video, there is a link. Go down and click on it. You'll see the questionnaire for talent visa. Fill it out. Spend 15 minutes, give me good answers. Don't give me yes or no. Give me good answers, at least one sentence. Send it to me. And within 2 days, I'll take a look at your facts and I analyze. And I will let you know which visa is good for you. Is it O1? Maybe EB2NIW, maybe EB1A, the green card. So that will happen in 2 days after your submission. It's free and it's analysis from the attorney. Look for the word potential. If you have the potential in your case, I will let you know. Not everybody will see that word, but if you do, go to the second step, complex immigration planning. Well, I will develop a written strategy in your case. And the potential actually means that within the next 6 months, improving your case with my team by my processes and control, you will get up to 99% chance of approval of your O1 petition and maybe some other visas. And I will let you know on a free evaluation. So make sure you get it done right now. Also, smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube if you have not yet. Smash the bell button not to miss my videos every week. I also have Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms. All unique content on those, go down below and find all the links in the description. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.